Welcome to CEP. CEP में खुश आमदीद. Today the topic is about Binance Pay. The encircled app is Binance Financial App. You can download this app from the Play Store. You can check this. This is the Play Store. You can download Binance app from the Play Store. From the top of the search bar, you can type Binance, and then after appearing the Binance app, you can download this app from here. Already this is downloaded from this for this mobile phone, so I do not need to download it anymore. Once the application is downloaded, then you can press the button of Binance. You can see the wallets or the wallet button on the bottom of the Binance page. This is the fifth button. You can see the arrowhead shows this is the wallet button. See the arrow towards funding point. You can see the third at the top of the Binance window. You can see the third button is funding. So you can click this funding button. Now you can see the Binance Pay option. Then this is the Binance Pay ID. You can see this Binance Pay ID. Whenever someone wants to send any amount to your account, you have to copy this my Pay ID and send it to the sender. Like you can say how to copy this my Pay ID. This is simply copied successful. But whenever you want to send the amount, what you will have to do, just see it. You can see the arrow towards the send button. You can click this option if you want to send any asset, any amount, whatever it is in the form. You can send this amount to anyone, to any receiver. So I want to just click the send button. You can see this is the send button, and if someone wants, then paste the Binance Pay ID, but you have to choose the Binance Pay ID, and then you can paste the Binance ID here, and then you can continue and add the amount which you want to send it to the receiver. Just like I am sending the $25, then you can continue it, and then after that you have validate this process. So this is all the process for sending the USDT through Binance app. Thank you so much.